Welcome back to this course. It's your instructor Cody Wyman. In this video, we're going to now talk about what is called the bridge. Now, the bridge is pretty interesting, and usually that is the part of a transition, and it's more often a section that contrasts with a verse. Typically, the verse is the verse setup of the song, followed by pre-chorus, followed by chorus. Then post-chorus material could be another verse, another two verses, and then another chorus. And then after usually the second chorus, you have what's called a bridge, which consists entirely of different lyrical or melodic content than the verse or the chorus. And it usually ties back to a final chorus or a final verse and chorus, depending on the song. So you have the bridge that may be a transition, and it's a section that contrasts with the verse. Usually it ends on the dominant. So dominant is 5. Tonic is usually 1 or the home key. Usually dominant is the 5th in the scale, so it's the 5 key. And that dominant usually leads to the tonic in the final chorus. Like if there's a 5 key that's being played at the end of the bridge, usually the chorus would either start on the 1. The final chorus would either start on the 1 key, or it could have like a different kind of cadence where it starts on a different key in the scale. It just depends on the song or the singer or the songwriter. So the bridge is a device that is used to break up the repetitive pattern of verse, chorus. It's just a break in the pattern. It's basically all it is. And oftentimes this is characterized as a middle 8, and it refers to the section of the song with a significantly different melody and lyrics, which helps the song in a natural way contrast to the previously played material. So you'll have, okay, intro, verse, chorus, then bridge, different melodic material, and then the final chorus. And this sample song that I am going to show you, it's not a lyrical bridge, it is a melodic bridge, basically just an instrumental break. So the bridge could be either new lyrical content along with new musical content, or it can also be just an instrumental. That could fit as the bridge too. All right, so if I were to show you these I actually got rid of it. Let's see.